Young lady in the wedding business the other day was asking me, Bill, how is it that you get such high quality clients? I mean, I want to have high quality clients. I want people that really appreciate what I do and are willing to pay me for it. I want high quality clients. Well, first of all, hi, this is Bill. It's Creative License, and thanks for, again, coming to see my little show. Thank you for being nice to my sponsors. And when you see them, tell them that you've heard about them from me if you can. Electro Voice speakers and microphones, the best in the world. DJ Event Planner, amazing CRM for DJs and people in the event industry. Promo Only, the best record service and music service out there. And of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. I've got 2 workshops in a year this year. Well, I've got one in February in North Carolina and another one in November in Minneapolis. If more comes, I'll let you know. So quality clients, how do you get them? What they're really asking is, how do I get people that are rich? Okay, so let me see if I can answer that, because I've been trying to for a long time. How about you don't? People are rich, people are not rich. It doesn't really matter the kind of money they have when it comes to whether or not they hire me. Let me make that very clear. Most of my clients are middle income to lower income people. And they're paying me more than almost anybody else doing this anywhere in the United States. Okay. And I'm in the middle of the Midwest in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm not in New York or LA or Manhattan or Beverly Hills. Those clients, I mean, they're out there, I suppose, but that's not necessarily the clients that you want, right? Just rich clients. You want clients that work with you, right? You want clients that appreciate you, right? You want clients that will do what's necessary on their end to be sure that your job is better, right? You want people that can appreciate the work that you're doing and will value the fact that you will be a part of their day in such a way that you are one of the most important things happening. They want people that, and that's what you want. You know what they want? They want people who understand them. I mean, really. Not just understand who they are, but what is important to them. Not just what's important to them, but what's important to them and their families and their spouses. And not just that, but what's important to them about the event that you will be in charge of. You know something? Microphone or no microphone, the moment you begin your work, even if it's just playing music, you're now in charge of how people feel. What's important to your client about how people feel? What's important to your client about how people are at their day or what they're trying to convey? What's just most important to the couple about the day? What are they most worried about? What's most important? Can you bring what's important? Or are you bringing music and hoping it's most important? Or are you bringing gear and hoping it's the most important? Or your MC skills or the jokes you do or the games that you play and then hoping that ought to be, that should do okay. I mean, I think you'll enjoy it. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to be unhappy. It'll be cool. But do you know if it's like really important to them? I mean, really? Are you asking questions like that? Those people, when that comes together, that you really get them about what's important, now will pay you any amount of money to have you. And they will work really hard to be sure that you are successful by doing what's important to you to be sure that their day goes well, because you know better than they do and how to make their day go great, right? They have an idea. You know, they have things that they think they know because I've been to a wedding once before, so I know what I'm doing. Well, you know that's not true. You just know it's not true. So what do you need from them? What do you expect from them? Are you finding those people that you know what's most important to them and then you know how to deliver it? But as we said in another podcast, you can't do it alone. You have to have a collaborative partner, and that collaborative partner is your client. Those people, you can call them high quality clients if you want, but really I'm reaching out and looking for that. And if you haven't defined what high quality client is, you should. Because before I can even answer that question for that young lady, I need to find out, what do you mean by high quality? Usually it just means, how do you find rich clients? Honestly, I don't know. Talk to rich people? I'm talking to people who want to have an amazing party, who are emotionally moved by life and want someone who can help them create something like that for their guests. I can do that if they're going to work with me. For me, that's a high quality client. High quality client. I'm doing this outside in the snow, so quit picking on my lip. My lips are starting to numb up. Blah, blah, blah. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I need to go get inside and get my lips working.